Welcome to our school, Nina Makeup Academy, and this is Taylor, one of our teachers, and we are here to tell you our story about master course, a full-time makeup artistry course. At the moment we're having a photo shoot. This is their first photo shoot.
It is.
And Taylor would love to share her experience as a teacher. How much time and how much attention do they need, our students, on the first photo shoot compared to our last graduation photo shoot?
So on the first photo shoot, I feel like they take a bit more time than what I would like, but I'm here to assist them and help them with any questions that they have and any corrections. Compared to the third photo shoot, they kind of know what they're doing, they know the groundwork. I'm here to just kind of critique them and give them my feedback. If they do need assistance, I am there for them. But it's a great practice for the real world. They get to see what it's like on set with the photographer. They get to see their work, and then, yeah. I don't know how to say it.
Yeah? Pretty much that's it. Why do we do photo shoots? Why it's important for makeup artists to have a portfolio?
So we like to it's important because we like to show our work off. You can't just walk in anywhere and say, hey, I'm a makeup artist, hire me. But it's like, I need proof that you know what you're doing. I need proof to see what kind of work feels that whether it's bridal, fashion, editorial, theater, everything's different. So it's a great practice to kind of, wait, what was the question? Sorry.
The portfolio for makeup artists is crucial. It's really important because if you just say, I am a talented makeup artist, or I just graduated from makeup school. So the point of these photo shoots, so they have an outstanding portfolio so they can sell their services, right?
You need to sell yourself when it comes to this industry. No one's just going to take your word for it. So it's great to kind of have pictures that prove that you are as talented as what you say you are.
And we have an outstanding portfolio. We help them to build the most beautiful images so they can present their work in the right way. But the most important, it's not just about portfolio, right?
No.
They have a great opportunity to feel the real life experience.
Yeah.
So they're not afraid. Once they graduate, they're not afraid anymore.
Yeah, I feel like this school teaches you from the beginning to the end kind of how to have a client in your chair and not be nervous, because if you're nervous, they can sense that you're nervous and they're not going to want you there. So it's kind of great practice for the real world, including timing. You're not going to have 3 hours to complete a look. You maybe will have 40 minutes if you're lucky. So this is great practice, and we're really strict on time in a good way. So.
Yes, and we're having a very friendly environment. You can feel the vibe. Taylor is really adorable, and she's a very successful makeup artist. We're here to help our students. We're here to encourage them, right?
Always. Never compare yourself either.
We teach our students that they don't have to compare themselves because we're unique the way we are, and we're here to enhance our own authentic signature, right? Yes, and self. How many looks do they do on the first photo shoot?
They do 3 different looks. Their first look is very natural, clean, fresh skin look. We want to see that you're able to do a no makeup look. And then there's 2 others, and it can do pretty much whatever kind of audience that you're reaching out to. Again, whether it's theater, drama, editorial, bridal, we want to see that you've learned something and that you're creative, and we want to let you shine through with your models.
Yes. Let's say we had a beauty week or bridal week. We're gonna do create for sure bridal look, and natural look is for sure.
Yeah.
And bridal look, and the third look is more like a
crazy colors,
creative, colorful. And then for the second photo shoot, let's say we've done editorial week. We're gonna start from the natural look, because natural look is everything, right, for makeup industry.
Right.
And the second look is gonna be glamour or bridal again, and the third look is gonna be the editorial.
Right. So whether it's paint thrown across your face or a wash of glitter, we want to see that. Pretend that you're at a magazine shoot, and that is gonna be in the magazine.
Basically, everything you've learned on the last week, we want
Bring
you
it
to create an outstanding look for the photo shoot, for your portfolio. And we do invite models, which is, I think, also really important to be able to work with professionals, right?
And people that you don't know, you have no idea what they look like, what skin tone they are. You want to be able, as a makeup artist, to have anybody come into your chair and apply and execute beautiful makeup.
And on our third photo shoot, our students create, the first look is a natural, nude, glowing, beautiful skin. And the second look, they
make it their most creative look possible. We give them face charts, so that way you can kind of practice what look that you do want. But I've had students kind of create a tree look on somebody's face, a 21st century look. We want glitter, we want anything that you can do.
Anything, as long as it's really outside of the box, because at the end of this course, they already know all the techniques. They know what their authentic style, and we let them express themselves in a way they
through
feel,
makeup.
Yeah, through makeup, and it's a very powerful photo shoot.
Yeah,
because it seems like they don't need your help.
They don't need our help. They don't need our direction. They say, this is the look that I'm doing, and they do it. Yeah. And it's their own imagination and creativity. So I can't say no, don't do that. This is off. But it's like, no, if you want it to look that way, that's your way. It's
we work
beautiful.
As a team. Of course, we guide them where to buy, because they want to complete the hair.
Yes.
They buy wardrobe or they create costumes. And it's really fascinating.
Yes.
Like at the end of the 5th week,
they put it all together,
yes.
And you're like, wow, my student has learned something and they are ready to thrive in the makeup industry.
And it seems like on the third photo shoot, graduation photo shoot, it's like something they've done
like everyday work
for years.
Yeah.
Yes, they feel pretty much confident, and it seems like they don't need our help anymore.
It's like my babies are growing up.
Which is important. So today they graduate, tomorrow they're not afraid anymore. They don't have teachers.
We won't be with them throughout their life, so it's kind of like on the third photo shoot, we say our goodbyes and we want to see what we have put onto you.
Yes, but we do stay in touch, because we have a close community on Facebook, and once we have any job opportunities, we just share with our students, because we feel confident enough to give our students clients. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
For being today with me.